Okay, so I tried to show what it looked like without all the contents. This is it bare with nothing in it. And you can see I used some of the stickers and the complete paper pad. Sorry, I'm all over the place. But this is the front and the back. And as you can see, it was pretty wide, so I had to use two pieces. This is the inside. And the rosettes and all of that jazz. And I don't know if you can see the whole thing in the frame, but this is how it looks. Okay, hi guys, and now it is my turn. And great minds think alike, Marianne, because I had no idea that you put those flowers in. I did the same thing for my recipient. I figured they can use some flowers for the spring, so I had these. That is so funny. Okay, so here is my loaded envelope. I'm not going to go through a whole big video showing everything because I honestly, because Marianne, she has to get things done right away because she is very, very efficient. I then had to do the same thing. This is how the finished piece looks, and like I said, I'll do another video. I finished it off with some lace so the recipient can use that, and one of my pins that I have purchased from Wish. On the bottom I have my little rosettes and my larger flowers on the top, and I use all the same paper pad for my toppers. Now, Marianne, I am doing this one-handed as well. So, hold on. Oh God, hold on. Okay, so this is that. This is how it looks. This is some of the stuff I put inside. And this is the back, the paper pad. And I put burlap on the bottom. And I have one pocket over here. Here are some of the little goodies I put inside. I put some handmade items as well. I put one of my ornaments. That's not it. My handmade ornaments. I also put a little journal and some other goodies. A mini charmette, some of my lip glosses. So there's a whole bunch, a lot of stuff in here. So this is how this looks. And that's it. So like Marianne said in her video, we will announce the swap partners, possibly, well, definitely on January 29th, but we'll get together on Saturday. And I think we have a lot of people. We might have to close the swap out because we have a ton of people so far. All right, so thank you guys for who are joining. Thank you for, this is just so much fun. That's about it. All right, guys, have a blessed Tuesday evening, and see you soon. Bye.